Alright, here's a good example. It's pretty tough, so I want to do an example of going through how to find the equation of a graph when you have the information like this. So what I have is I have the zeros, I'm looking at them, and I have a point, some other point on the graph. So this is how you find the equation of this graph with that given information. You state the zeros and the multiplicity. Alright, let's state the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. And what's the multiplicity at that? Well, it's at least a 3, right? It could be 5, 7, but we're going to go with the smallest, so 3. So the multiplicity is 3. All right, next zero is 0, and the multiplicity at 0 is straight through, so it's 1. All right, next 0 is a 2, and the multiplicity is a 1 again, straight through. All right, so what's the degree of this? Well, there's 1, 2, 3 zeros there, 4 zeros there, 5 zeros, so it's a 5th degree. Does it look like a 5th? Starts up, ends down, has that turn there and that turn there, but it has the 3 zeros there, so yep, it looks like a 5th. Write the factored form, okay? F of x equals, I don't know the first leading coefficient, it's a, it's unknown, but I do know x plus 4 is a factor cubed. Why? Because -4 is a 0, so when I put -4 right here, I have to get 0. All right? And the cube comes from multiplicity 3. Then I know that x equals 0, so I can put x out front there. Usually we just put it in front. So now there's my 0. There's my 0 for -4. There's my 0 for 0. And now for 2 being a 0, x minus 2. All right, I'm going to write that a little neater. All right, there it is a little neater. So 0, -4, and 2. Those are the zeros. All right, now I've written it in factored form. The only thing I don't know, I'm almost done. The only thing I don't know is this a. What the heck is that a? Well, it's a leading coefficient. And how do I find it? Well, I use the point. The point here has an x value and a y value, right? All points are x comma y. So x is a 1, y is a 5. And look at, I have x's and I have a y. So here we go. The y is going to be a 5. All right. And then every time I see an x, I'm going to put a 1. So I'm going to fill in everything else here with the red, leaving the x's out. Now I'll come back with my black and put a 1 times 1, a 1, and a 1. So notice now every time there was an x, there's a 1. That's my input, right? Every time there was a y, which is just once, there's a 5, the output. And now look, there's only one variable to solve for. It's that a. All right, so here this is all multiplied together, so we have to simplify order of operations here. 5 equals a times 5 cubed, 125, right? 1 plus 4 is 5 cubed, 125, times a -1. Multiplied through here, 5 equals a times -125, right? And so to solve this, I'm going to divide both sides by the -125, just like this. -125, -125. All right, then that's a equals, if you simplify it, 1 over 25. That is my leading coefficient. That's this guy right there. So if I go grab my pencil eraser, and I erase that off, that a, and I go ahead and put in now the -1/25. That is there's a negative sign there. That is the equation of this graph. And if you put this in your calculator, -1/25 times x, x times x plus 4 to the cubed, times x minus 2, you will get this graph. And I'll go through the point 1, 5. Now in the homework you probably have some examples like that. You can work them through just the same way. Just remembering how to start with the zeros. That's where I started. Went to multiplicity, wrote the factors, found the a.